In this lesson, we're going to take a look at oblique triangle word problems. So our first step is going to be to draw, pick it right, draw a picture. And then we're going to, secondly, determine whether we're going to use law of sines or cosines. And then we're going to set up and solve. All right, so number 1 on a map, Orlando is 178 millimeters to south of Niagara Falls. Denver is 273 from Orlando, and Denver is 235 from Niagara Falls. So we want to find the angle. So let's go ahead and draw our, let's just make this Niagara Falls. And then we have Niagara Falls to Orlando. And then Orlando to Denver. Okay. So Orlando to Niagara Falls, 178. And then we have Denver from Orlando right here would be 273. Then here 235. Okay. So we'll just kind of make this A, B, C. So this would be little c. This would be little a, and this would be little b. So we are going to be using, we have all of the sides and we're looking for the angle. So we're going to go ahead and use law of cosines. So to find the angle of Niagara Falls right here, that angle right there, then we're going to use cosine inverse. And it's going to be 178 squared plus 235 squared minus 273 squared over 2 times 178 times 235. All right, and then we'll type that into our calculator. Should get 81.5 degrees. So our next one, we have Fire Tower A and B are located 10 miles apart. Rangers at Fire Tower A spot a fire 42 degrees, and rangers at Fire Tower B spot the same fire at 64 degrees. How far from Tower A is the fire to the nearest 1/10 of a mile? All right, so here's our fire. And we have A and we have B. Probably should have made those a little closer together, but this one was 42 degrees and this one was 46. Nope, 64. Other way. 64 degrees. And we want to know how far away is A from the fire. And then we also had that they're 10 miles apart, so we know that's 10. So this one is going to be law of sines, because we've got our angles and what it's across from that we're kind of working with here. So we can go ahead and figure out this angle by subtracting the two angles we do know, 64 and 42. So that would make it 72 degrees here. So we do have 72 degrees across from 10. So that's going to be sine 72 over 10 is equal to sine 64 over x. And then we're going to cross multiply. And divide. So putting that into our calculator, 10 times sine 64 over sine 72, nope, 74, not 72. I can do math. So changing all those 72s to a 74. There we go. Should give us our answer, which is 9.4 miles. All right, so go ahead and try this last one. Oh wait, that was your last one. So now you're going to practice on your assignment for drawing your picture, figuring out which one, law of sines or law of cosines, and then solving.